Welcome back to the Viper Miner channel. Today I want to go over just a real simple protect yourself type video, right? I want to make sure you guys are safe out there. There's an article out on Telegraph that talks about Bitcoin exchange is now seeing somewhat 180K in Bitcoin already decreased off centralized exchanges. That's significant. That's telling you that the large wallets and others are fearful of the exchanges. That's not somebody trying to sell on a couple $100 increase in Bitcoin. That's people protecting their money, protecting their crypto, right? Their livelihood, their assets. On an exchange, on a centralized exchange, it's not safe. Crypto.com, Coinbase, they could be. I don't think Coinbase is on that solid of a ground. In fact, I owned a lot of their stock at one point, and I've actually liquidated all my stock. For full disclosure, I no longer own any Coinbase stock. And that's not financial advice, so please do your own research. But I am not that comfortable with Coinbase. I have zero assets on Coinbase. Okay. I have some dust in there, and that's about it. And it's typically because I use it when I buy a gold shell miner. I'll use the Coinbase app to buy that. But other than that, I don't keep money in there. So it's in there for very limited time. But I have some videos about how to protect your crypto. Make sure it's in hardcore, in a cold storage, in a Treasure, in a SecureX, a Ledger. Any of those will work, right? As long as you have your seeds. The other thing that I want to talk about is if you don't have the altcoins that we're mining, a lot of them are core wallets still. So I have a video that I'll leave a link below, how to protect your core wallets. They should never be on your main computer, right? If you're on your main computer with a core wallet, you run a very big risk of losing everything, especially if you have multiple core wallets on there. Okay. There are a lot of bad apples out there, unfortunately. Not everybody is, plays by the rules, but just make sure you protect yourself that way as well. The other thing I want to talk to you about is when I started out trading stocks and currencies and options, my mentor told me, make sure you follow the big guys. Where the money's going and how they're working their money is very, very telltale in what's going on in the market. Billionaires, millionaires have their money. They know how to protect it. They know how to leverage it, and they know how to make more of it. From the crypto world, one of the most famous ones to follow is what's coined as the Bitcoin family. I think anybody that's been in Bitcoin or crypto knows who this family is, so I'm not going to go too much over that. But I'm glad to see they're still moving around. So I think last I heard they were in Portugal, but they have 73% of their crypto, their tokens, in cold storage. Cold storage. That's a hardware wallet. Okay. And I know from other stuff I followed with them, they actually have multiple wallets, hardcore cold storage wallets in multiple countries to protect themselves. They've gone that far. So this way, if they're in Argentina and it falls, or a bank falls, or wherever they're storing their money, they have not disclosed that, and I'm glad they don't, because I think that's dangerous for them. But they are moving $1 million that they probably had like in centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges. So they're moving them to DEXs. Excuse me. So I'll leave a link for both articles in the comment section. But they are trying to stay ahead of this, all the erosion and the contagion that FTX is causing. I think it probably will go down in history as, at least as thus far, the largest Ponzi scheme ever. I think it's even more when the dust settles. I think it'll be more damaging than what Madoff was. Personal opinion, but I protect yourself. That's all I can say, guys. And ladies. I know there's a couple ladies that are now following me, and I really do appreciate that. And again, have a great day and be safe. try to be profitable.